All Nagaland ad hoc teachers group pra takhanla service regularize kuribole mang kurigina protest kuri thakya joakali 11 day punjise. To mamla upar ANATG representative और स्टेट सरकारी ऑफिशियल्स मचते मीटिंग थकिसे कुंदु 3 घंटा निशना जैसे will be इकु फैसला होला नै प्रोटेस्टर्स खानब्रा टाइमलाइन स्पेसिफाई करिगिना इकु रिटन अश्योरेंस न दिया निमिदे अफसोस जनाइस और ग्रुप प्रा जनरल मीटिंग राखिगिना आगे की करिबो इतुला फैसला लुबो कोइगिना जनाइस.
The time allowed to us by the district administration is only from 9 till 4 in the afternoon. So we did not get the time even to discuss those points with our general members today. As by the time we came down for a general gathering and then updating about the meeting, it was already 3 in the afternoon. So I beg to apologize on that without letting out those points to our general members, I think it will be a little futile on my part. Not futile, but I think it will be not too wise on my part to share it out. So, yeah, sorry for that.
So whoever attended
Sit-in protest by the ANATG has just culminated. It's the 11th day, and today around 11 we were invited by the Honorable Advisor, School Education and SCRT to the Government of Nagaland for a meeting where the core committee attended along with some of our general members. We also invited the general members, as you know, it's been too many days that we have been sitting for this agitation, and it has now come to a point whereby the general members' voice also needs to be voiced out as well as heard by the government and the department. So with that intention, it was a good number, around 49 of us, that we attended the meeting today. We sat for about 3 hours. We are very happy to the Honorable Advisor, who was accompanied by the Principal Director of School Education, Joint Director, Samaka Shiksha. Also with the officials from the Secretariat as well as the department, and by our esteemed parent body and staff for the whole time which we had with pretty fruitful discussions and deliberations. Somehow the demand of the ANATG, which still stands as demand for the specific time frame for our service regularization, and secondly for segregating the 1166 members file, still remains unfulfilled despite the long deliberation that we had today. But nevertheless, we have had some inputs during the meeting, which the core committee will have a deliberation tonight and will chart it out, and by tomorrow the agitation or the sit-in protest will not be held, but rather tomorrow we will go ahead with a general meeting with all the members where thoughts and views and opinions could be exchanged. So that is all that has happened and taken place today. We're quite big in number and very straightforward. If I would say, then many of us were not satisfied with as the demands for the segregation as well as the time frame that we were asking for were left unfulfilled. Thank you.